This 4-in-1 carbonization furnace. When you're doing assembling, firstly we need to put 4 furnace one by one, and the distance is not too big. This is the first step, and it will have a working path, a platform, and each platform we need to assemble between here and the furnace. 4. You can see it, right? And there's a handle here. So this is this side details. And also it has the hoist crane. The hoist crane assembled here. The hoist crane. And 4-in-1 furnace model, it has both sides. We need assemble here, here, and also this side. So we need assemble four area here using screws. Using screw. So this is how it assemble on the furnace. And the upper, when we shaping, we will make it separated. Firstly, this is vertical one, and there is a super long horizontal hoist crane. Just this one piece. And we have another 2 on both sides to make sure it's settled down. Here, you can see it, right? Both sides. So totally 4 pieces to make sure this is settled down. So this is the hoist crane, okay? And next is the pipes. When you see like this is the pipe over the cover, the furnace cover, okay? This is the cover. And next is the smoke coming out from here and then going through these pipes. And next is like this, it's with 2 valves. And there are 2 long horizontal pipe here and here. We assemble like this through, and each one it's with valve and valve assembly like this using screws. Okay, this is the from the smoke coming out direction. And next is how it's connected with the purification tubes. Out from the 2 horizontal pipes, there are 2 pipes connected with the purification tubes like this. One is shorter, one is longer. So this is the pipe. Next is the purification tube direction. The first one will be the tallest one. This is the first one, and the second one, third one, and fourth one. These 3, they are same. They are composition. And the gas flow going like this from here to the second one, and then to the third one, then to the fourth one, and to the fifth one. The fifth one is the final one. This is the final one. Final one is water spraying. This is condensation. This water spraying. Remember this direction, and they will have the substrates. The bottom need fill with the water. How we fill with water? Each of the bottom, it has flanks, and we connect with the pipe, and the pipe will going into the water. We dig a hole underneath. After the final one is the draft fan. The stainless steel draft fan. So this pipe is put here, and next, this is extra gas burner. When the inside gas is too much for carbonization, we burn extra gas here. This extra gas burner. Next one is a small square box. It's used to explosion resistant, and it has a valve. This is gas back to the furnace pipe. There's a bottom pipe, and each of them have valve. The valve control the gas returning to the bottom. So there are totally 3 horizontal long pipes, but they are different, and it's easy to figure out which one of them should be put to which place, because they are different. You can see it's different. So this is everything when you do the assembling. And also the furnace, we burn the firewood in this direction. Do not turn it upside down. So this is everything. And the last one is we will need to assemble the electric hoist like this on the hoist crane on this.